Today, I want to talk to you about 8 hairstyling tips for guys' hair that you should know. And without further ado, you know the drill. Let's get into it. First up on the list is choose a product for your hairstyle and your hair type. Believe it or not, the product that you use really needs to match with the style and the hair type that you have going for you. Say for example, if you have super curly hair, you're gonna wanna stay away from texture powder and really utilize the curl cream. If you have straight hair, you're gonna wanna stay away from curl cream or pomades to keep your hair super oily. You're gonna wanna veer more towards the side of using something like a matte finish product like texture powder. Pick the product that is right for you. We have tons of videos on it, guys. Check it out and get yourself looking fresh. Next up on the list, we have emulsify your product. I know it's like the most fun word to say on earth. Emulsification. That is basically when you take your product, I'm gonna take putty right here, and you just take a little bit, dime-sized amount right this, you put it in the palm of your hand like this, and then you're just gonna wanna rub it together to emulsify the product. That's going to activate it. It's going to make sure that the product gets in your hair and distributes it evenly, and then just run it through with your hands. Guys, this, for example, is putty, but any sort of styling product, whether it be clay, pomade, cream, you want to emulsify it between your hands to get the most out of your product. Number 3 on the list is limit how much you wash your hair, okay? A lot of guys think that I have product in my hair, I need to wash it every single day, which might be true for you. This is basically a case-by-case basis. Me, for example, I wash my hair maybe once to twice a week just because I like to keep my hair, if I don't do it, it just gets dried out and it looks frizzy. Guys, you can go ahead and condition your hair every day. I mean, you can hit it with some power condition, hit it with some peppermint cream condition, but experiment with what works for you. If you have pretty dry hair, maybe pull it back a notch. Maybe only shampoo once to twice a week as well. If you have really oily hair, that's totally fine as well. You're gonna wanna shampoo a little bit more, maybe every day, maybe every other day. Experiment what works for you. Try it out. It's your hair. Figure out what works and go from there. Okay, next up, this kind of goes along with choosing the right product for your hair, but it's choosing the right shampoo for your hair. So guys, shampoos are not a one-size-fits-all thing. We have plenty of videos talking about how to figure out what is right for your hairstyle or for your hair type, I should say. Again, if you have flat hair, there are volumizing shampoos. If you have oily hair, there are oil wicking away shampoos. If you have dry hair, there are dry hydrating shampoos like argan oil, something like that. Figure out what you need for your hair. There's a shampoo out there that can help you out with it. Figure out what is right and you will see the difference. Number 5, this one might be my favorite, is to use a wide tooth comb. These guys are your best friends when it comes to styling your hair because as opposed to a fine tooth comb, which is really gonna kind of rip your hair out, it's gonna damage the follicles, especially if you use it when your hair is damp. A fine tooth comb is not going to be good for you. You want to use a wide tooth comb. It's going to prevent breakage. It's going to keep your hair intact. And especially if you are somebody with curly hair and your hair can get all over the place, when it is damp, you're going to want to brush it so that it stays in place, and it's going to prevent excess frizz, especially when you use one of these guys. Grab a good one. It will change your hair's life. Next up on the list, pre-stylers are a non-negotiable. What is a pre-styler? You are asking yourself. I'm so glad that you asked. A pre-styler is anything like a sea salt spray that's gonna that you use before you use your normal styler like a putty or pomade. You put a few sprays of your pre-styler in and it really just enhances your hairstyle. It adds texture, it adds volume, it really just gives it that nice extra something special that your normal hair products are not gonna give you, okay? They might get you lots of hold, which is great, but a pre-styler is that extra special ingredient to really bring your hair to its full potential. This is a great one, sea salt spray. There's other types, but really this is gonna give you that wave and that texture that you are looking for. Number 7, fringe hairstyles are the answer to anybody with a big forehead or anybody with a receding hairline. If you have a receding hairline and you have or a big forehead and you're trying to find a hairstyle that works for you, number 1, if you want to embrace it, go for it. Rock the slick back. Embrace that receding hairline or that big forehead. Who cares, dude? Rock it. But if you are looking for a hairstyle that really just kind of covers your forehead and masks it a little bit, hairstyle that would be great is the fringe or the textured fringe, okay? Basically, it's gonna cover your forehead. It's like bangs and you just kind of work it around here. I have it right here. You can see throughout the video, my hair is kind of fluctuated, but it basically just covers the forehead and prevents any sort of exposure that you might be self-conscious about or wanting to avoid. So basically to style it, put your styler in, scrunch it with your hands, cover it over your forehead. You're gonna want a hair length that is slightly above the eyebrow so it doesn't get annoying in your face, and just rock it like that and you're gonna be looking great. And the final hairstyling tip that I have for you guys is less is more. Okay, when it comes to styling your hair, when it comes to using a hairstyling product, you don't need as much as you think you do. Clay, for example, I just take like a dime size amount. That's all I'm using every single day to style my hair. And a lot of guys think you need a lot of product, but you don't. Especially if you have a high quality product, get something, invest in it a little bit, but it's gonna go a long way. Especially if you're trying to maximize how good your hair looks. It doesn't take that much, just a good amount of product, a good quality product, and you'll be set. Well, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And if you have any comments, questions, drop them in the chat. I wanna know your thoughts and if you're using any of the tips that you learned today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.